Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. What we're gonna do is I bought on sale the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and we're gonna play with that. I also picked up the Dose of Colors concealer and foundation to try out. I've never tried it before, so I'm going to try that out, and just some other fun stuff I have picked out for us to just play with today. So if that sounds like something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me take my glasses off, and I'm going to clip my hair back. Got these cute little clips on Amazon, and I've kind of been wearing my hair up a little bit. I haven't used them a whole lot yet. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the Milani eye primer. I like using this because I know how much I can use without it getting too goopy, there being too much and having trouble blending. Otherwise I have to put powder on my eyelids, and that takes away the point of even really putting on eye primer. First I'm going to take Riff right here. I don't know if, I'm sure everybody's seen what the palette looks like, but that's what it looks like if you haven't. It's a pretty hefty palette because of the mirror is pretty hefty. I didn't think it would be this hefty. Alright, so I'm going in with Riff right here and putting that in my crease, and I'm taking the ColourPop E2 blending brush. Alright, and now I'm taking the Sigma E27 detailed blending brush, and I'm going into Good Is Gone out here, this deep brown. I'm going to put that on my outside corner. I'm going to take Smog right here, and I'm going to put that on the inner half of my eyelid. Alright, now I'm taking the Becca First Light Prime and Filter Primer, and I'm going to put that on my face. It has like a citrusy smell to it for some reason. Alright, now I'm taking the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation, and I'm going to put that all over my skin. I'm using my foundation brush just to blend it out. Alright, now I'm taking the Dose of Colors Meet My Hue, Your Hue concealer. And I'm putting that on my under eyes. And I'm blending it out with just a concealer brush. Been trying to use less concealer lately, which I didn't use a ton of concealer before, but been trying to just do a dot on the inner corner and a little bit of a line on the outer corner to blend up and out a little bit and get these outer corners, because I normally have purple on the inner corner and just right around the top, which when you do your lower lash line it'll cover some of that up, but that doesn't take away the purpley hue when I'm doing my makeup. It drives me crazy. So anyways, I'm going to take the number 7 Lift Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light, and I'm just going to put that on my under eyes. Alright, so I'm taking the Ofra and Samantha March Bronzer Duo in River. And I'm just going to take the matte and shimmer side. And I'm going under the neck, or under the chin. I always say under the neck. I combine the two, under the neck and down the chin. And now I'm going down the neck. Now on to the Ofra and Samantha March Blush in Chiclet. I'm going to do the same, just take both sides. I'm going over my nose so I can look sunburnt and sun-kissed. And I'm taking the Ofra and Samantha March highlighter in Start Inspired, and I'm gonna take both of them, kind of bounce around. To finish off my lower lash line, I'm going to start with Riff, and I'm going to take that up underneath my my lower lash line and see how that looks first. Trying not to go too deep, but we'll see. Now I'm going to take Blaze right here, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Alright, I'm going to throw on my Essence Lash Princess real quick. Alright, now for lips, I'm going to put on Dose of Colors Jazzy. My God, I love the way these smell. They smell amazing. They smell like cupcakes. I'm going to use the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Spray. This is what I got in my BoxyCharm Premium. This smells good too. It smells like coconuts. Alright, my camera cut off. I don't know what I was doing, but I put on the Dose of Colors Jazzy lip gloss, and it smelled like cupcakes. And then I put on the Ciate London Everyday Vacay, and it smelled like coconuts. So got some nice smelling stuff going on. But that's the final look of me playing with my new Born to Run palette. So I'm pretty excited. I love the look that I came up with today. I can't wait to play with it some more. I know it's kind of got polar reviews. I've heard some people that love it, and then I've also heard a few people that hate it. So I don't know. The mirror kind of is heavy. That's the only con I can see so far, but it is a really nice mirror too, so I guess you got to kind of give and take on some of that. So I mean, it's a hefty, nice mirror. So, but yeah, I really enjoyed the palette. I'm really loving the Dose of Colors foundation and concealer. The concealer is like the best my under eyes have ever looked since I was younger, a wee lad. And the foundation is one of the best that it's ever looked. There's one or two more foundations that I haven't used on my channel before that I'm going to use in the near future that really makes my skin look beautiful like this. So I'll kind of let you guess. If you want to comment down below and guess what it might be, then I would greatly appreciate it, because I'd love to know what y'all would guess of what foundations I'm talking about. So I'm really enjoying those, and the lip gloss is just glorious. I love the lip glosses. I hate the price, but I love the lip glosses, so it's kind of an investment when you buy them. So I'll have to invest in some more at a later date. And the number 7 powder, I'm really enjoying. I know that Jessica Braun is actually who I found this through, and she says that it's a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I don't know, because I've never used the Charlotte Tilbury powder, but it does make my under eyes look beautiful. So that might be part of the concealer thing as well, because I have used, I think I've used it, because I've only used the Dose of Colors concealer and foundation once other than now, and I think I used the powder then as well. So I guess that's it. That's all that we I put on my face, I think. Oh, the Samantha March collaboration. I love those. Y'all know I love those. For my review. Well, if you haven't seen my review, now you know that I love those. I love the bronzer, blush, and the highlight. They're beautiful. So, but that's it. So, if you like the video, please hit the like button for me. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and become a part of our little family here. Also, ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video, so you can be one of the first to watch my great content. So I guess that's it for me, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.